Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 AutoCAD video tutorial series. Today in this video we are going to learn how to show metric and imperial dimension in AutoCAD 2024. Okay, so first of all check the unit of this drawing, for which you have to type UN for units shortcut, and once you activate the unit command, and this drawing units dialog box will appear, and it is showing that our default unit is in inches. Okay, and unit type is in decimal, precision is 0.0000. okay, and if you want to change it, then we already mentioned a procedure in separate video. Simply change from here, select inches, feet, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter and other according to your requirement. Okay, so basically we have here drawing unit at 1, so it is in inches. Okay, so our drawing is in inches. Now create a rectangle, draw a rectangle, specify the dimension 10 inches by 20 inches. Okay, so our unit is in inches, so the overall dimension is 10 inches by 20 inches. Okay, now we want to show a metric as well as imperial dimension simultaneously. Okay, so to do this, simply go to D for dim style, press enter, and this dimension style manager will appear. We are in ISO 25 style, so set as current, then modify, then go to primary unit, which is decimal. Okay, and precision is 0.00. now the primary unit is in our inches, so type suffix as IN for inches. Now activate the go to this alternate units panel, and then check this display alternate unit, and now don't change anything from here. Simply specify, since you want secondary unit as a millimeter or metric, so type 25.4, which is millimeter, which is equal to 1 inches. So this is a conversion value. Okay, multiplier for alternate unit, and type mm. By default type mm, which is already here mentioned in earlier videos, so we don't have to change it. Simply type mm for millimeter, and here the option is after primary unit. If you select this unit, then first unit will show here, and then your secondary unit will show alongside. Okay, and if you select the below primary value, then it will appear as first unit is above and second unit is below the first unit. Okay, so simply click OK and then close. Now you can observe that primary unit is showing 10 inches and secondary unit is showing 254.00 millimeter, and here it is showing 20 inches and 508.00 millimeter. So in this way you can show imperial as well as metric dimension in one drawing simultaneously in AutoCAD 2024. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thank you.